Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite Jersey girl Nimantrita here, and we are officially on day 2 of our incredible Lake Placid adventure. Yesterday was a whirlwind, and today we are diving deep into nature's raw beauty. So, our second stop today, and let me tell you, I have been so excited about this one, is absolutely stunning High Fall Gorge. If you're looking for a breathtaking natural experience right here in the Adirondacks, you have to put this on your list. So we got our tickets, and for those wondering about the price, it was about $15 for adults and definitely worth every penny for the view you are about to see. The air is so fresh here, and you can already hear the faint roar of the water. It's like nature's own symphony welcoming us in. The trails here are super well maintained, which is awesome. So you can really focus on the incredible views. And speaking of incredible views, oh my god, just look at that. That is the Ausable River, and it is absolutely majestic. The sheer force of the water crashing down is mesmerizing. What I love about the High Fall Gorge is how they've made it so accessible. You are walking on these fantastic bridges and pathways that give you these incredible vantage point from all angles. Every turn is a new photo opportunity. Look at that clarity of that water. It's just pristine. So, this is what I actually needed after a busy travel day yesterday. Being surrounded by this kind of natural beauty is so grounding. You can just breathe it all in and truly appreciate the quiet moments, even with the roar of the falls as your soundtrack. So, if you are planning a trip to Lake Placid or anywhere in the Adirondacks, seriously consider spending a few hours at High Fall Gorge. It's an easy walk, perfect for families, solo travelers, or anyone who just wants to reconnect with nature. They even have a gift shop and a little snack bar. What an incredible experience! High Fall Gorge truly exceeded my expectations. It's a powerful reminder of the beauty that's waiting to be discovered right in our backyard. But after feeling that rush, I couldn't help but wonder, how did this mind-blowing place even come to be? I mean, those towering cliffs, the roaring waterfall, it's truly massive. So I did a little digging, and it turns out the story is pretty epic. But I'm going to keep it super simple so we can get straight to the cool part. Imagine millions and millions of years ago, the land here wasn't mountains like you might think. Instead, it was slowly pushing up from below like a giant bubble forming in the earth. As this happened, the incredibly hard rock here, super old stuff, started to crack and fracture. Think of a hard cookie that gets stressed and gets tiny cracks all over it. Those cracks were the key. Then much later, huge ice sheets, glaciers, some sweeping through. These were like colossal bulldozers made of ice, scraping and scarring the landscape, deepening those cracks that were already there. Finally, the ice melted away, our own Ausable River began to flow. This river, over thousands upon the thousands of years, found those cracks, weaknesses in the rock. Massive. And with this constant flow, especially during big floods, it just kept on carving and cutting its way deeper and deeper through that hard rock. It's like a liquid chisel patiently shaping this incredible gorge we see today. So basically, it's a story of ancient land uplifting, then massive ice carving, and finally a persistent river patiently cutting its way through rock for ages. That's how we ended up with this stunning, powerful High Fall Gorge. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed coming along with me on this adventure, seeing these incredible sights and learning little something new, please do me a huge favor. Hit that like button. Seriously, it makes a big difference. And if you want to keep exploring amazing places like High Fall Gorge with me, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, for traveling with me, and for being part of this community. Until our next adventure, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.